Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert table in Google Docs. So very easily you can do this, very easily you can insert this table in Google Docs. So firstly need to click on insert. You see here insert option, so just click on it and the second table. So hover the cursor to table and now here you see this one by one, and now select here one by two, like need to want you select, like 8 by 6, so just select and click on it. So you see here you can very easily insert this table, and you can customize by here very easily, and you can very easy and simple method to insert. Click on insert and table, just hover the cursor to table and here draw the table which you want and just click on it to create table. You see here, so this way you can very easily insert table in Google Docs. So thanks for watching this video.